So guys, here we have our Euro USD. So if you are new and you've not subscribed, please smash the subscribe button. Also, you can comment or watch out for it. Now take a look at this Euro USD. We would want to start with it on the weekly time frame to better understand this movement and why we will be taking such trade. On this weekly time frame, right, we can see one movement is being made, which is a bearish move. So I mean, price has been dropping. We are on a downward trend on Euro USD, meaning our USD has been giving us a bullish move, while the Euro to 8 has actually been going bearish. So this is why we have been having this drop. Now, for those of you that trade the moving average, I have applied the 10-period moving average. We all know the rules of trading it. Once it is below the 10-period moving average, we are to short. But if it is above 10-period moving average, we are to go long. But clearly we can see that the price is still below 10-period moving average. So on the weekly time frame aspect of this, we are to short it, so we are to go down. Now take a look at this movement on Euro USD. Let's start this movement from here. There was an impulse move downward. We had a correction here, another impulse move that was made here. We saw it broke this previous lower lows. Then we had this correction. Then the next one we had is another impulse move downward, which broke this previous lower lows. Then we had this correction, and then again we had this impulse move downward. So of course, once we have this impulse move downward, we should be expecting a correction. So it is exactly what we are having. This is one of the reasons why we actually closed bullish, the week that just passed, and this week, early this week, Monday, we've actually opened green, by the way. So I mean, the correction is not over, right? So once the correction is over, we would actually see a drop, right? So Euro USD, we are still on a correction move, and that correction move indicates a bullish move. We have to go long. Now that will take us to the daily time frame. Now take a look at this movement. You see that price was actually ranging here. You can take it as price was ranging here. You saw this price drop to this level, it bounces up, it also came to this level again, and it bounces up. All of a sudden price broke below it. So we all know that once price is actually reacting at a level multiple times and it tends to break out of that level, you tend to see that price come to test that same level again. See it this way, price actually broke the support level that it was once ranging. I think this is more visible on the 4-hour time frame. So basically price broke below it. Now we would expect price to come and test this level. So it is the reason why we are still on a bullish move. So is this correction over? Definitely not. I still want to see this price actually roll up to test this level itself before we have that drop. So one of the reasons why we actually closed bullish today. That will now take us to our 4-hour time frame. But before that, we see that this price is now above 10-period moving average. So since it is still above 10-period moving average, then we are still to go long. Now take a look at it on this 4-hour time frame. Basically, to take this trade on a 4-hour time frame, we would go to which still indicates we are on a bullish move, right? So what 4-hour time frame still indicates a bullish move, and it is still above 10-period moving average. So basically we can take this as an impulse move upward, a correction, an impulse move again, a correction which I'll be taking right here. So I am expecting another impulse move, the last one to actually take out this level, right? You see this price reacted at this level, right? We also saw it reacted at this level. See it right on this 4-hour time frame. You see price dropped to this level multiple times before going up. Also happened here, and once this price broke below, we saw a pullback came to this level. So definitely we would want to see this 4-hour time frame come to this level before we have a drop. So this is one of the reasons why Euro USD for the next day, which is on the 4th, I still believe would actually go bullish, right? Would want to see it go bullish. Now that's for better understanding, we would have to look at this USD index, right? Take a look at this USD index. Let's start this movement from here. There was a bullish move that was made on USD, a bearish move, a bullish another bullish move, so a bearish move was made, then we added this bullish move. So what we clearly can see is that the correction, we've added this correction. So is this correction over? Well, I think it will soon be over, but I don't believe it is over. The reason why I said so is that we would go to the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame, where can we see this next level? If you are having a drop, so at this level we would want to see this euro USD drop to. Why? Reason is that once price came to this level, we had a pullback before price breaking above it. So now that price has broken above it, of course we should see the price come to test that same level. So it is the reason why our USD index is still dropping, meaning as our USD is dropping, then our euro that we are trading to our USD should actually go bullish. So if you look at that this 4-hour time frame, we are expecting a bullish move on euro to USD. Why this USD index, we are still expecting a drop. Then after this drop, then we might see a reversal movement on this USD index. Then that will now give us a reversal movement on our euro to USD.